Hello, this is Jay Profit, and today we're going to look at inserting items and gadgets into a page in your Google site. You can see here I have a very basic page on my Google site. I'm going to click the edit icon, and what comes up is a gray bar with different text editing and text formatting options that you'll see on a lot of word processors or text boxes. But you can also go to the insert menu and have different items. There are common items, items they call gadgets, and some Google embedded items. We're going to pick one from each category. So let's go in and insert an image. When we click on that, we get some options. We can pick images that we've already uploaded to our Google site. We can upload images from our computer, or if it's an image on the web, you can put the web address here. I'm going to go back to uploaded images and pick one that I've already uploaded. When I click OK, you can see that it gives me a preview of it on the page. Now this picture is very large, so you have the option here in this box to make it small, medium, or large, or 100% the original size. You also get options of alignment. You can have it left aligned, center aligned, right aligned. I'm going to put it back on the left. And you can change the text wrapping. For an image, you also it'll link you to where the image sets, that you can change that link or remove it altogether. And this box with an X, that removes the gadget from your page. So if I click off of it, I'll get rid of that options box. So let's go and insert. This time we'll go to the gadgets column. And you have options like a recent post if you have an announcements or a blog page. Recent files if you have a file cabinet page, recent list items if you have a list page. But I'm going to go to this text box. Now, with the standard page, you have a lot of text options and you can type right into the page. You don't need a text box. But what this text box gadget does is it sets your text apart from the other text. I'm going to call this one Metamorphosis. You'll see why. And I'm going to copy some text into the box down here. And I put the text in. It gives me an option to change the width. If you leave it blank, it'll take up the entire width of your page as the default. Click Save. And you'll see for some gadgets, you don't actually see a live preview in the edit stage. You only see a place filler. And what will happen when you click the Save button up here, then it'll give you a look at your page and you'll see the text and the title in this text box here. So let's go back into the edit mode and we'll go down here past our last gadget, go a few spaces, and this time we'll insert something, a Google gadget. You can put in a Google Apps script, calendar, charts, documents out of your drive, some other options. I'm going to click on Map. When I click on Map, it gives you the option to find a location. I'm going to put in the address for the IT Center here for Lynchburg City Schools. This is the address for it. I'm going to click it, and you'll see it takes me to a map of Lynchburg with the marker on the IT Center. So what you can do here is adjust your zoom. Let's say I want to zoom in a little bit closer, and click the Select button. It'll give me one more set of options. Instead of calling it that, I'm going to go ahead and call it IT Center. This is the title that will show up on the map. I'll include a border around the map, and it also gives me options to adjust the height and the width of my box. I'm going to go with the defaults for right now and click Save. When I do that, you can see once again I have this placeholder instead of a live preview. But when I save the page, then I will see a preview of what this map looks like. And you can see here's the marker on the IT Center. And then I scroll up, you can see my text box from earlier and the image that I inserted at the beginning. Now to get rid of one of these gadgets or inserted items, click on the Edit button again to go into Edit mode. And anytime you click on the item or a placeholder for the item and you get this set of options down here, there's an X button. And what that will do is that will remove that gadget. So I can remove, let's say I remove the text gadget, I'll leave the other two, save it, and when I go back to look at my page now, I'll have this picture and the map that I inserted earlier. Thank you for joining me today.